Hold on. So you never see the flour in the bag?
No, but I don't mind cooking. I don't mind.
That overcooking. So all of a sudden now, the official professional engineer was supposed to look about whatsoever for the people. I go through with me, sir. What with that?
As a kid, we used to love the Look at Johnny joke them, man. I ain't gonna lie. Look at Johnny joke and Look at Johnny stories always make me laugh. Now, as a grown man, we have King Johnny. King Johnny funny so till I don't even, let me say funny, I mean laughter funny. You know what I'm going on, I know what I'm thinking. Anyways, me not hold up the thing, you know. We get right into it.
You me a chat.
You know nobody.
So nobody come in my argument.
No, you know no people.
Say, you don't
have no people.
So make me chat now. Make me chat now. And keep your mouth, keep yourself.
You don't have any people.
Me say, you and your people need to understand life. I was on the road other day.
How will we understand that? At that, me and my people them understand.
Some have no space now when we are talking about
no, but you say me and my people them need to understand life and me and my people them living. So where we understand that?
Make me chat done and then you say we have to say, sir.
No, it's how we are reason, man.
You
have to forward back with your story. Come and we stop you.
Brethren,
yeah.
This is something I don't like about you black people. 5 of us here reasoning. And you come with the topic of the argument. And then everybody start to talk. I don't like that.
No,
I don't like that.
So when me say something, you can't shut up.
No. When me a chat, you keep your mouth. And
after me, no, they are quote.
See, you come with your little.
So all the way you say now, if you just stand up and listen and not stop you.
Hey, Badacat easy, no, man. For every chat Johnny make, Badacat have a counteraction. Badacat come like a ninja man, but in a comedy world. He man have a counteraction for everything. But for real, you know, most of the time you watch a video them where feature Johnny can hardly get a word in. As Johnny had chat say, man overshadow Johnny. But me like with the conversation. They even astray from the point that they were making for argue over who I thought more than who I thought less. But anyways, it's entertaining. Let's continue.
So all me listen to what you're sending me answer your question.
Something for you listen to. If something for you stop me, you stop me. And say me fi wait. That's how you do all the while. So why me not fi stop you and say what me have to say? Me fi just listen everything make it look like you're on the right track. Me have to catch you up.
I want me to tell you right now. The universe, you and your people have no knowledge, no common sense, no idea about how this thing come in place. I'm going to leave that with you and we can close it right here.
So hold on now. Can't close yet.
Why can't close?
Do you and your people them have any idea how this coming come on? Because you take for me and my people them put on one side over there. So do you and your people them have an idea how this coming come on, please?
Hold on.
No give me no hand for what I buy this part of the cow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uno no people push on the side, on self aside, you know. Uno push, and we do that, you know. Uno
so
people.
we lost ourselves from the knowledge.
So
Uno have it then. So
yes,
can you tell
sir.
me?
Yes,
can you tell me to
No, I'm never explain that to you.
Johnny him never want to explain himself. He never want to explain his statement. He never want to explain his answers them yet. Me say it's two man them argue over argument. Like what? Not tell a lie. Badacat him full of chat, full of counteraction. And couldn't turn DJ. Anyways, the video nice done. We have a lot more coming. Do me a favor. Help me grow the channel and just like the video. Don't go sign up and like it. Just take your time and like it. Because if you go so, you might hurt your finger like I did. I hurt my finger liking every Jamaican videos that come on my YouTube. So just like my video right now. Respect. Moving forward.
Don't bring that to me like that. You bring it to the man them who have 5 and 6 and 7 kids walking around and boast about how much kids them have. And the next man, I take care of that.
Me didn't even know what they talk about before, but me agree with Johnny. If you can't mind pitney, don't impregnate no woman. And ladies, stop making them boy a breeding up. If you and him not live together, if you and him not have an established relationship, don't make the boy impregnate you. I mean, alone notice a relationship we are going good for years upon years. Then left, then get back. then cheat on each other, then stay with each other and forgive each other. But as soon as a child come in the picture, the relationship done. And then dirty boy, dirty man, I don't want my name kids. I want. Then when the woman move on and take up one little simp, yeah, simp, we have my next man pitney. The baby father want argue over the woman front, want fight the woman over in front. All kind of stuff. Anyways, we are move forward.
Today, I got the supermarket. I said, Johnny, you are cook today. And he said, well, you cook now.
Yeah.
Mr. Virgin, you are cook. Go in with the guests them and make the ingredients.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Like I always do.
Him can't even
He can't do that. So hold on now. I said to him, say, all right. I said, him say, tin mackerel and rice. I said, no, Papa, we can't give we get some tin mackerel and rice. I say, all right, I could cook some fish. Him go in, and get some fish. When him come out, I said, Johnny, what kind of fish you get? You know, they didn't have any sliced fish. They only have some fish like so. Hold on now. First wrong information and give me. Hold on, come out. Guess what him get? Sliced fish. The same thing I ask him if it's that what him get. Him say no sliced fish or regular fish, but a sliced fish he get. When him come now, you hear me to him now, I say, Johnny, see them fish here? Them fish are hard to fry now. Because the water soak in them, if you don't know what you do, they must stick up in the fat and crush out. You see when you hear that? When he come and say, Bingy, you deal with it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Done.
Yeah, man. All in do, I drink it dirty rum, light fire and roast breadfruit.
You can't cook for two. If I mean, me flour them and fry them. You can't cook for two.
So you hold on. So you never see the flour in the bag?
No, but I don't mind cooking. I don't mind.
That overcooking. So all of a sudden now, the official professional engineer was supposed to look about whatsoever for the people. I go through with me, sir. No bother with that. No.
Listen to me. All my life, me never know say engineer, a chef. I knew name fish. If you're a chef, your new name what Johnny give you is engineer. Johnny say yo, you're official engineer for cooking. I know you're back out a hit. Johnny no like cook. Johnny no like woman. Johnny no like listen. Johnny just love chat. Jesus. Moving forward.
To them can't cook. That them love the tin mackerel, the flush out or the splash out. And the saltfish, the oil for salt and them belly. Me tired of it, sir. Me tired of it. So every day I just salt no.
I answer boy every day.
Oh, you no pan talk about salt. No, you introduce me to saltfish. Me you tell us that me not need saltfish.
When me know you're from introduce to saltfish, sir?
You see how today just cooking it last time I met.
No, me no want it. I mean I cook and I eat.
So you not cooking?
So you can't cook.
You must want to run out here today. You not cook today.
Me say me not cook and I eat. I mean I want no saltfish.
Well, we have a sit today.
What the pot you can't come here? What the pot there?
You find out.
Me say where the pot we are going to cook.
You not have no pot.
No saltfish not cook no me pot today.
Joke man, I take this thing forward.
Man, come and show something. Come and show. Look from me. Come and joke something.
Hey, but Johnny house nice, man. Blood clean. What me just say a while ago? Johnny no like cook. Johnny no like clean. Well, in yard clean still. Johnny no like woman. Johnny no like nothing in this world. Johnny don't like saltfish. Johnny say, man, I'm gonna go cook. I'm not cook. Yo, the brother are funny. I ain't gonna lie, man. Jamaica nice. Jamaica full of comedian.
You know these young people come with a lot of stress, right? Stress. A lot of stress. So, him probably sitting here and confirm say a young he might want to deal with it.
We saw him mess up himself.
Exactly.
Yeah. So like you like to afraid of bun, you know. I'm afraid of
No.
I'm afraid of bun, man.
Bun coming out here.
I don't know. Bun coming out because you talk about you. You were Johnny saying.
Bun and something make them a baker, you know. We don't have no baker.
All right. You're afraid of cheating then. A woman cheat by you, give a little pum on you.
No, but you know. A woman pum when I'm have, you know, is not mine. You understand? So she planned to give it to me or share it with me. Then wife and say I'll share it with Danny.
Alright, so what you know what?
Can't do to me?
Alright, me agree with that. So why you don't want to do with a young girl then? If that's not your problem.
I don't want to do with a young girl. I never tell them I don't want to do with a young girl.
You need to pay attention.
No, man, what not pay attention? What I'm saying?
No.
The argument
no, he didn't say that.
I never
the argument is dealing with young people, it come with a lot of stress.
Yes.
That's the argument.
So if me I go look at personal, I don't want a young people. Yeah, I deal with young people, but not a personal.
Well, I feel like look at cheating, man.
So young people alone cheat.
Yeah.
A young people alone cheat.
No, big people cheat too.
Okay.
The big one we are run away one. Cheat too.
Listen me, argument they take a detour. You see the brother? And him say him woman they give him bun before the ballad brother. Say woman they give him bun before he start perform oral sex on her. And after he start perform oral sex on her, she start giving bun. Say man, every time you see him in that video, him always a chat about bun. Bun. And every time Bada Cat a chat about a woman on her front, her position, him always say, yo, I fear her front. She do what she want do with it. So if she want give me and give somebody else, that is it. And that's truth.